Here we are doing a mobility complex. Got a spider lunge, into a pigeon, pigeon on the left, leapfrog, the 3 bootstrappers, walk your hands out, start over again, push up, into up dog, down dog, spider lunge, pigeon, pigeon on the left, back to plank, leapfrog forward, 3 bootstrappers, and start the complex over.